this is just a little update to the giveaway. I might not quit, but I'm just gonna give it away for you guys. Because, you know, I want to make like a good channel, but I can't get that much subscribers if I don't make good content and giveaways and stuff. So, you know, it's just a quick update on this quick little update for the giveaway. So, and also I will be revealing the giveaway, or revealing the winner after I get back to my home. Basically, because almost my whole family has corona, you know. Because they go out a lot for the groceries, and my sister goes to do exercises, so then she ends up getting it, and then it infected my whole family. Literally, even my little brother, 5 years old, my 5-year-old little brother even has it. And the only ones that are not infected in my family are me and my dad. If I was infected, I would probably be at my house with all the infected people. So, yeah, that's just a quick little update on the giveaway. Now, I'm just